Hello everyone, and welcome back to Be Uplifted. Today we want to do this morning meditation quickly. It will be just 10 minutes. I know a lot of us have to get to work or to get out to start our day. Welcome to the present moment. Before we begin, remind yourself that this particular moment is just for you, not your child, not your wife, not your husband, not your to-do list on your phone. Take a moment to leave all worries behind and make yourself comfortable wherever you are. Straighten your back and gently trace circles with your nose. Try to relax your neck. Once you've reached a place of peace and stillness, take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. As you breathe, feel your rib cage loosen and float up high on your chest. And as you exhale, feel it drop slowly down to your stomach. Now visualize these mantras. As I say them, you will repeat them and think and meditate on them. I am alive. I am free. I am capable. I am strong. Open your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Hold. And now release. Now close your eyes again and visualize the energy flowing through your body. With each mantra, another part of your body becomes flooded with this unstoppable warm energy. I am alive. Your feet will begin to wake up, and you will feel this energy rise from the earth that supports you and flow freely through your legs. I am free. Embrace this energy as it comes up to your stomach, all the way up through your lungs. Take a deep breath and feel your chest expand. I am strong. Feel this energy as it rises up from your neck, up your throat, and continue to expand as you breathe through your face and your head, all the way up to the crown, which is the very top of your head. And with this particular energy, allow nothing and no one to stand between you and your goals today. I am capable. This energy flows through your bones, through your joints, through your shoulders, down to your arms, past your elbows, and to the very tip of your fingers. Close your hands and with two strong fists, relax your fingertips and allow them to gently fall open. As the morning sun rises, feel its warm rays of light touching you with beautiful yellow energy. If you are inside your home, just imagine them hitting you as the sun comes up. Allow these ribbons of light to embrace you and surround your entire body, relaxing it and massaging it with warmth. Observe your breath, your calm, slow, quiet breath. And if you find that your thoughts may be wandering, come right back here to this breath. Feel your chest rise slowly with each inhale, and notice the parts of your body that slowly and gently move as you breathe. With each breath, think about and embrace the feeling of the morning energy gently waking up your entire body. Think upon the sensations that you might feel. Breathe in, sending the oxygen to your head and face, and then slowly exhale. Breathe and send this life-filled air to your neck, shoulders, and chest muscles. Allow them to take in the air and get ready for this blissful day. Take another deep breath and send this oxygen to your entire back. Let it massage your muscles and awaken them. With another breath, send this oxygen to your abdomen, your waist, and your thighs. Breathe and send this energy from your breath to your feet and your legs to push and empower you through this day. Take another deep breath and allow the sun's rays, even if you cannot see them, allow them to infuse you and charge you with energy that you need to begin your day. Now allow this energy from the air you inhale and the warm rays from the sun that came up this morning to power you up and charge you for this entire day. Now take a deep breath into your heart and send golden, miraculous, peaceful, and positive energy to your heart center in gratitude for the beginning of this new and beautiful and peaceful new day. Now center your attention to your breath. Remain focused on your breath, your breathing, for the next couple of minutes. Avoid the distractions of your mind. The thoughts are okay. When you realize your thoughts have taken you elsewhere, just slowly come back to your breath. Now, with your eyes still closed, as you near the end of this meditation, I have to remind you that it is important to end your meditations slowly. Keep your awareness on your breath and allow yourself to feel the movement and the rhythm in and out as you take a breath and it lifts and releases your chest. Now on your next breath, as you inhale, allow both your toes and your fingers to wiggle and move as you wish. Gently and slowly shift your arms or your legs if you need to. And whenever you are ready, take another deep breath, being completely still. Then open your eyes with a soft downward gaze. Keep your focus inward and then open your eyes fully as you are ready. Now you may return to your day and have yourself a peaceful positive, and gratitude-filled day. I hope that I have earned your thumbs up on this video, and if you have not done so already, I am asking you to subscribe so you never miss another message or another meditation from our channel. Feel free to leave a comment below, and I trust that you will have yourself a peaceful and wonderful day.